Good morning and nice to meet you. This is Mr. Hazim Hassan, and today we are going to discuss a new Arabic proverb. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a like to help me to continue sharing international cultural exchange between Arabs and non-native Arabic speakers. Today we are going to discuss a new proverb, which is العجلة الندامة, or quick thoughts or slippery thoughts. If you make a decision quickly and your decision is not well thought, you are gonna make a mistake. And having a mistake looks like driving very fast over a slippery slope. So that the end of any quick thought is almost very tragedy. So that I advise every one of you to think well before making any decision, and making sure that his decision doesn't end with slippery slopes or doesn't end with pitfalls. I am sure that every one of us sometimes are in a hurry, but please make sure you need to think just at least twice. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I am sure you are gonna subscribe and add me to your list. Thanks and happy to meet you. Bye bye.